Indonesia's Marapi volcano has become active again, prompting authorities to issue renewed warnings to nearby residents and tourists. Footage captured on Wednesday, July 16th, shows thick clouds of ash and smoke rising into the sky following the eruption. For safety reasons, all entry and activity within a 3-kilometer radius of the eruption site have been strictly prohibited. Officials reported that Marapi has recorded more than 450 eruptions since its initial blast on December 3rd. Marapi first erupted in December 2023 and later again in January, May and June in 2024. Mount Marapi stands 2,891 meters, 9,485 feet tall, and is situated on the island of Sumatra, where authorities have long prohibited residents and tourists from hiking within a 3-kilometer radius of its crater.